Alright, this is our Europe and Russia test. What we're going to do is read each one of the questions and then turn around and read the answer choices. Remember, while you're watching this, you can press pause, you can press play, and work at your own pace to get it done. Number one, the democratic principles that were fought for in the American Revolution directly impacted which other revolution? A. Bolshevik Revolution. B. French Revolution. C. Cultural Revolution. D. Irish Revolution. Number two, what is the main reason for the Russian language? What is the main reason that the Russian language was integrated into the eastern part of Europe? F. The Russians invaded Eastern Europe to push the Allies out of the region. G. The Russians were taking territory as they were pushing the Germans back at the end of World War II. H. Many people liked the way the language, H. Many people liked the way the language sounded and wanted to adopt it. J. The Nazis attempted to confuse the Russians by utilizing their language. Number three, France, Finland, Italy, and Germany have similar types of governments in place today, which is A. Totalitarian, B. Communist, C. Constitutional, D. Junta. Number four, what geographic feature allows trade between Europe, Asia, and Africa? F. Atlantic Ocean, G. Pacific Ocean, H. Aegean Sea, J. Mediterranean Sea. Number five, what geographic feature would the continent of Europe be classified as? A. Plain, B. Mesa, C. Peninsula, D. Island. Number six, the tunnel that connects England and France is under what geographic feature? F. English Channel, G. Mediterranean Sea, H. North Sea, J. Straits of Gibraltar. Number seven, how has migration into Europe from other countries impacted the economies of European nations today? A. Muslim mosques are appearing in larger European cities. B. European countries are experiencing an increase in capital. C. The amount of labor is increasing in European countries. D. Cultural diffusion has allowed countries in European nations to become more multicultural. Number 8. The Cold War was the result of F. The violence of World War II. G. American and Soviet disagreements on economic systems. H. Attempts by the Soviet Union to spread communism throughout Western Europe. J. Military conflict between America and the Soviet Union. Number 9, you're going to utilize the map and answer. Which of the following has the map labeled correctly? Is it A, number 1, France, number 2, United Kingdom, number 3, Russia, number 4, Italy? B, number 1, Russia, number 2, Italy, number 3, United Kingdom, number 4, France. C, number 1, Italy, number 2, France, number 3, Russia, number 4, United Kingdom. D, number 1, Italy, number 2, France, number 3, United Kingdom, number 4, Russia. Number 10, due to the ongoing war in Syria and Iraq, many people are escaping the region to enter into Europe. Which of the following would be a negative cultural issue that would occur in Europe? F. Introduction of Middle Eastern foods into Europe. G. Addition of new languages into Europe. H. Cultural clashes between followers of Islam and followers of Christianity. J. People immigrating into the country illegally. Number 11. With Vatican City being located in Italy and it being the center of the Catholic faith, which of the following holidays would they celebrate? A. Yom Kippur, B. Diwali, C. Vaisaji, D. Easter. Number 12. The Renaissance has had a lasting effect on the cultures of Europe. Which of the following would not be an example of one from the Renaissance? F. Sistine Chapel, G. Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci, H. The Prince by Machiavelli, J. Blackbird by the Beatles. Number 13. As the Romans continued to spread their control over Europe, Asia, and North Africa, their culture spread as well. This would be an example of A. Cultural borrowing or diffusion, B. Cultural development, C. Culture traits, D. Cultural bending. Number 14, you're going to utilize the economic indicators chart. Which of the following countries is the least developed country? F. Germany, G. Spain, H. Norway, J. Sweden. Number 15. From 1918 to 1991, in Russia, the government controlled all aspects of the economy. Which would be the difference between their system, communism, and America's system, free enterprise? Is it A. Russia allowed for private ownership of land while the American government controls the land? B. America has private ownership of business while Russia controlled all businesses? C. Russia and American control nothing in the economy? D. Russia and America control everything in the economy. Number 16. The European Union was formed in order to F. Encourage cooperation among European countries, G. Improve the relationship between European countries and America, H. Prevent the Soviet Union from spreading communism throughout Europe, J. Both A and B. Number 17. Europe experiences two devastating wars during the 20th century because of A. Strong levels of greed, B. Disagreements over territories, C. The vision of Adolf Hitler, D. Extreme nationalism. So number 18, you're going to use the picture. The Magna Carta, written in 1215, did many things to help aid the people. Nationalism listed, everything listed in the Magna Carta would be an example of doing what to the King of England? F. Extending the king's power. G. Limiting the king's power. H. Leaving the king's power the same. J. None of the above. Number 19, you're going to utilize the quote. The English Bill of Rights continued the tradition of limiting the power of the King of England. Which of the following is a responsibility of citizens in modern-day democracy? A. Voting, B. Serving on juries, C. Paying taxes, D. Petitioning of the king. Number 20, again, you're going to use the chart. America and most European countries share each of the characteristics above except for F. Free enterprise systems, G. Government ownership of some industries, H. Democracies, J. Influence by Greece and Rome.